Howdy, Jacob here. Today we're looking at Forward Air Corporation in the air freight and logistics industry. They operate as an asset-light freight and logistics company in the U.S. and Canada. They operate through expedited freight and intermodal. Founded in 1981, headquartered near me now in Greenville, Tennessee. Their revenue growth is pretty impressive. Huge 80% right here. Looks like they made an acquisition and just bewildering to me. They made an acquisition greater than their current market cap. That always just makes me laugh. I've seen multiple companies do that, and it's just hilarious to me. It looks like before this, I mean, a pretty good business, like 46 million cash on hand. They only had 107 million long-term debt. They grew, we're looking at 2022. They still were growing at 4 to 6% a year over that 7-year period. And they made an acquisition by going into debt. $1.7 billion, and we just don't have enough data based on this to analyze whether that was a great decision or not. I mean, this is one I'd have to do a deeper dive on, but I guess we'll see if it's even at a price that makes sense or not. But we really can't rely on all these figures. I mean, look at this. The last year with this acquisition, way different gross margin, way different operating margin. I mean, I don't even know how to take this. Like, look at that. Operating profit of negative because cost of goods sold is so high. I mean, they had the same gross profit, maybe even less with this acquisition. I mean, initial review is saying that's a terrible acquisition. Again, I just keep talking about that. But anyways, like that's part of my review. So, I mean, that might just piss me off enough to where I won't buy this company even if it looks like a good deal because I don't know what the heck's going on. But either way, I would have to do a deeper dive to know if it's making sense or not. Anyways, I'm just going to write down figures I think make sense to me. So what I'm doing is pretty much inflation, revenue growth, because a lot of their money has to be focused on debt reduction, given the fact that they make now nothing, but even before we're making $100 to $200 million a year and have 10 times that in debt. So a lot of that money is going to debt reduction. I mean, I guess they were buying back shares before, but no chance now. So let's go keep that flat, or share repurchase, keep that flat because 10 million in stock-based compensation. Shit, I mean, I guess that's 1% with how low their market cap is. So let's do, damn it, 1% share change. Darn it, sorry. Margins here. Let's look at what they were pre, and let's assume that they get close to that. I mean, 6, 7. Let's do that, 6 and 7. And okay, I guess it looks like a good price here. I don't know. Let me just get rid of this dividend. I mean, they can't even afford it right now. So I don't know why that we're assuming that they can. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to do a deeper dive here, so I don't think I'm going to. I mean, I don't see a way that this acquisition could have been good for them. It increased their top line 80%, and now they don't have a gross margin. Or their gross margin got cut in half. They don't have operating margin, operating profit. I don't really care about that other non-operating expense. They probably wrote off everything that they bought because it was pointless. Anyways, I mean, yeah, this could be a great buy. Could it be an opportunity that I miss out on 100%? But from everything I'm seeing from the initial numbers, just pisses me off for some reason. And so I don't want to do a deeper dive here. But if you want to spend your time here and analyze this business, I mean, I'm not going to lie. From initial view, it looks like it could be a great buy. But that acquisition is just insane to me. So, yeah, I mean, craziest possibly video I've done, but probably won't be doing a deeper dive. If there's any questions on it, if people really want a deeper dive on this company, I can, but I'll only do it if it's requested. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day.